You've been a great audience, especially the dancers in the front. Doesn't always fit with what's going on, but they're doing their best, so I can make fun of them because I know all of them. So big thanks to Rope String Thread. Can we give them a round of applause? This is the sound, this is the sound. I hear you coming out, I hear you coming out. This is the sound, this is the